Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Burkina from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place and put that on the outer edges of my eye and take a blending brush and just blend that nicely out. Now with the shade Mali from the same palette, I'm just going to put that in my inner corners and blend it right on out and put it all over my eye. Okay, now I'm going to just start drawing the liner. So I'm going to work from my inner corner and I'm going to just extend the liner on my inner corner and just make a very dramatic big wing. I really don't know how to explain this other than just try to make everything extra dramatic because you just want to give yourself bigger looking eyes than you have, and you want to go ahead and start by drawing the cones at the top of your mouth, at the top of your eyes. And you just want to make little triangles, and like I said, these don't have to be perfect symmetry. You can just keep adding or taking away, and you can just shade it in after. And then once that's done, you want to just go ahead and go in with some dark eyeshadow or even some liner and just shadow that in. And then you want to just blend everything out and make it go together. What I'm doing here is I'm just connecting the end of the wing to like the top of my brow where like my eyebrow arches, and then I'm just going to draw those outer corners, and then using a brush I'm going to just try to blend that black in to create a deeper shadow for my eyes. Okay, now using the same body, I'm going to just go ahead and put that where my cut crease would be, and I'm going to bring that all the way down to where the lines on my inner corners are and just blend it out. Now using a silver glitter liner, I'm just going to line my cut crease, and I'm going to line around the top of my eye with a black liner to just finish off creating that triangle and just shade it out with an angled brush. And then from there, I'm just going to move on to detailing the top of my eyes. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start with the bottom of my eyes. I'm basically just going to draw some really thin long triangles at the sides and in the middle. And then I'm just going to try to make them as symmetrical as I can. Don't worry about this being really, really perfect. Clowns are funny, clowns are silly, so if you can't get the exact perfect size, do not stress this out. Then I'm going to add some silver liner to just trace out the bottom of my eyes. And I think I'm also going to do the top of them because who doesn't love glitter everywhere? Using the shade Fulani from the same Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going to just put that underneath my eyes and blend it out. And this is just going to give me more depth. It's going to give me a more tired look, and it's just going to add to the effect of the clown. Now using Dahlia, we're going to go ahead and put that underneath my eyes. I decided to go with blue because I like blue under eye, I guess, and I'm just using a blending brush and I'm adding more color and more blending and shading with this, and it's just time consuming. And you want to start on the mouth. You basically just want to trace your lips and then just go right on up and do the same with the top. You just want to follow your lip shape and just extend it. It is easy to me. It might be hard for somebody else. If you don't do it perfect, like I said, once again, you can always clean it up, and a clown isn't perfect. So, and then you just want to trace everything in with some black face paint, which I used. I felt like a liner would be good too, but it was taking too much time for me. The last detail will be contouring my face and just adding some green dots to the tips of all my little triangles, and then you're pretty much done. I do want to say that the cuffs and collar that I will be wearing were all done by my best friend KOKO, and her business email will be in the description box, and I'm also adding glitter to the ends of my mouth. Bye guys! Hi guys, Kreep here, and I'm back again for another look. This was my clown tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video